You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Lamborghini. Classic Lamborghini in Italian and Spanish. Because Lamborghini names are usually Spanish, right? It's both similar pronunciation. Miura. Miura is how it's said. Miura. So in English, if you want to learn more Lamborghini names, make sure to stay tuned because too many people mispronounce too many. Miura. Lamborghini Miura or Lamborghini Miura. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.